What does a woman mean to you?
Strong leader, capable of doing anything and everything that they set their mind to.
Women mean beauty and power.
I think that a woman is strong, courageous, fearless, and independent.
Being a black woman to me means that we're magical and eccentric and basically nobody can touch us.
A woman means to me, thinking of my sister, means a fighter. She doesn't give up at all. She's been through so much. So I'll say courage as well and resilient.
A woman to me means she's a symbol for power and intuition and something that anyone else cannot be. If you are a woman and you're a woman, and you know what that is.
Being a woman means being strong when necessary, vulnerable when needed, and having the natural ability to face anything that this world throws at us. All while looking simply delicious.
Being a woman is not easy. And it's never gonna be easy. Because we're always gonna be seen as, oh, you can't do that. Oh, let me help you out. You might not be strong enough. I can do it. I'm good. I know my strengths. I know myself.
To be a woman means to live unapologetically, to know that the cards are stacked against you but still persist through life with grace and elegance and clumsiness even. It just means to live as you, without question. Oh, I'm being delicious. Look at you!
I feel like a woman is Beyonce, Kelly Rowland, Oprah Winfrey, Tyra Banks, Ellen, icons. A woman is whatever she chooses to be. Got it. Ew. I appreciate all of you. Peace out. Love y'all.
Happy International Women's Day!